Hey, to change your online ID on the PS5 Slim, first of all, you have to go into the settings, so click X to open. Then you have to go into the users and accounts, so click X. Now go into the account, and from here you have to go into your profile and go to the online ID. Now click I accept and tap to continue. And from here we can sign in manually by using our password and our mail address, but you can also scan the QR code by using the PlayStation application. And if you set up your PlayStation application, you will also have this quick notification, so we can click to approve. And after a few seconds you will be logging. If you don't know how to use this PlayStation application with your PS5 Slim, I have video on my channel. So as you can see from here, we've got information that our first change is free, but after that, if you are going to change it, and the cost is around 10 bucks. So here, when you want to change it, click on the online ID frame and basically input your new name to the online games. And if you want to confirm, just click R2. But you have to remember that when you change it, let me just look in one more time. So when you change it, when you go below and click confirm, it will be your first change. So after that, you will have to pay for it each time you want to change it for another times. So if you have this marker right here, it means that the name is free and you can actually change it. When you click on the square, you can just refresh the suggestions name. And that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.